Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to install Aviator Predictor on your phone. This app is a tool that offers us reliable predictions for the Aviator casino game on different online platforms, okay? Well, first of all, you have to go to your browser, could be Chrome, whatever, and look for Aviator Predictor APK version 2.5.1. Okay, once you do that, you just go to Aviator Predictor, the first link on the search, and just click on the white button named download version 2.5.1 APK. Okay, after that you just scroll down to download APK on the red button. So keep tapping on the next button until you find the sign button. Now tap to sign up with your Google account. And finally, your Aviator Predictor app is gonna be installed successfully. Okay, so thank you so much for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I see you on the next one. Bye bye.